Well, it's nothing crazy. A little wacky rig, small little bass, bad weather, got rained on. It's all right. All right, amigo. Hasta luego. Well, as you see, the sun's going down, but still got a decent size. Wacky rig. All right, not too bad. Around the lipper. Whoa. All right, see you later. Well, sun's going real low. Real low. Well, geez, feels like the darker it gets, the smaller it gets. But not gonna quit until hopefully a decent size. Let's get you back in. Only 6:13. I caught another small one. It is pretty dark as hell right now, especially with these gators out here. I shouldn't be out here. Well, just another day.